Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally Nothing have started rolling out Nothing OS 3.0 Beta 2. So if you are the one who are already running Beta 1, then you can just go to the system update section, I mean to say about section, and check for the OTA update. I have already updated my device to the latest build of Nothing OS 3.0, which is Open Beta 2, and here you can see the changes of Nothing OS 3.0 Open Beta 2. There are a lot of changes done, including the improvements in the camera, performance and other stuff. For me, the update size came in at 1.04 GB. If you guys want to install Beta 2, make sure you install Beta 1 first on your device. Currently Beta 2 is only available for Nothing Phone 2A. First of all, let me show you the software information. So if you go to About section, here you can see Nothing OS 3.0, which is Beta 2. Tapping on it, the version now is 2105. Previously, the build number was 2135. Going to Android version, this update comes with 1st October 2024 security patch. And guys, now before moving ahead, we have around 85% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So soon you install the update, you'll see a new boot animation, which you can see on the left hand side. This is the new boot animation introduced by Nothing, and it looks pretty good compared to the previous one, which we had seen on closed beta builds and open beta builds. You guys let us know, did you guys like this plain boot animation or not? And soon you boot up Open Beta 2 on your Nothing Phone 2A, you'll see this guide which shows what's new on Nothing OS 3.0. This wasn't there on Beta 1 but have been introduced with Beta 2. So this will be the first page, and I did like the color selection with the dotted black text. First page is this one. After that, again you have onboarding guide about personalizing the lock screen. Then they have shown about the rearrangement of quick setting tiles, the ability to share widgets, I'll talk about that, and few more things what they have mentioned on the last page, which says Smart App Drawer Android 15, AI enhanced performance, dot animation engine, refreshed pop-up view, and revamped typography. There are a few changes which Nothing haven't mentioned in the changelogs. First, let's talk about them and then we'll move on to the changelogs. So the first one is the ability to add the profile picture on the right top corner on the settings page. So here you can see I haven't added any profile picture, so it shows the alphabet of my name, which is Ashok. Tapping on it, it will show you other details like your mail ID. You have the option to edit the profile where you can add an image, and you can also change the nickname. So this is one thing what they have added, and it's not being mentioned in the changelogs. Now Nothing have also added the ability to change the fonts. Currently there are only two fonts available, one is Roboto and the second one is Inter, and I hope in future they also introduce the dotted font, which they have basically removed from Nothing OS. And similar way they should also provide few more font options, or you can say the font styles. Along with that, under battery health, they have given this option of custom charging modes where you can set minimum charging level up to 70% and maximum up to 90%. It's actually a very useful feature which they have introduced, and this can help you prolong your device battery health. If you want good battery health on your device for longer run, make sure to set it as 80% always. And you guys let me know in the comment section below whether the camera widget option was present on Nothing Phone 2A before updating to Beta 2. I mean it was present on Beta 1 or not. Let me know in the comment section below. So these were some of the things which Nothing did not mention in the changelogs. And now let's talk about the changelogs. So here you can see first change is layer to share widgets. So now they have added the ability to share widgets. Currently it is only supporting the widget of the photos, that too in the square shape. So what I'll do, I'll just create another widget here of the photos itself, and let's keep it in the circular shape. So tapping on add widget, and now if I long press on it, you can see we don't have any option to share. But if you have this widget which is in square shape, if you long press, here you have an option to share the similar widget. If you're sharing for the first time, it will ask you to log in using your Google account or your Nothing account. After that, you have an option to share invite link. Tapping on it, using this link, any user having Nothing Phone will be able to view or modify the widget as per their taste. Currently, it's in beta stage, and also if you see the changelog, they did mention share widgets are currently only supported between Nothing devices and only Photos widget, which is square one. We are rapidly developing support for other widgets, so stay tuned. So as said, this is currently available for only one widget. After that, talking about the next change, which is layer 2 quick setting improvements. So here I personally did notice slight improvements in the quick setting tiles when it comes to animation, whether you tap on the icon or the quick setting tiles, or even when you scroll down. Towards the left hand side, you can see a video which we recorded before updating the device, and now I do feel the animations are much smoother compared to the previous one in almost all the cases, like if you are tapping the quick setting tiles or even while pulling down the notification panel or quick setting tiles. And another animation improvement what they have done, that's while resizing the quick setting tiles. So previously there was no animation present at all while increasing or decreasing the size of the quick setting tiles, but now we have a very smooth animation. Before, whenever we used to tap on this expand icon, the quick setting tile had zero animation, but now there's a very smooth animation and it's very eye pleasing. And they have also improved the user experience when interacting with the ring tile within the quick setting tiles itself. After that, they have done some improvements in the app drawer too. So with the first one, they say enhance app categorization accuracy. New apps might take a short while to properly categorize. I think here they are talking about the smart app drawer. They have also introduced a new auto sort that allows your app and folders to organize themselves based on your usage pattern. So for this thing, we cannot say anything right now. We'll get to know once we start using the device. And in the app drawer itself, they have also added this AI powered selection, which keeps your frequently used application on the top side. I'm not sure whether this thing was previously there or not. Let me know if you guys haven't updated your device. Then they have done some improvements in the camera application. So first of all, let me talk about the camera app version. So here you can see the current app version is 14.0.03.18.00. I'll also show you the previous camera app version, which was 14.0.02.99.01. And you can take a look at the photos yourself before and after, and there was hardly a difference of 10 minutes when I clicked before and after pictures. First, they say they have improved the stability when switching camera modes. Here I did not notice any kind of difference with my naked eyes at least. Maybe after a while the switching between the modes may be more smooth. Later on, they say upgraded HDR algorithm for better stability and enhanced photo quality, and here I can actually feel the difference. Now the HDR mode works pretty well. Previously, even with HDR, photos had that whitish effect, but now we have the color tone very close to natural. They have also optimized the portrait mode, and you can clearly see a huge difference in the color accuracy. I do prefer the color accuracy after the update compared to the previous one. You guys let me know whether you like the improvements in the camera by seeing these pictures. We had very limited time to click these pictures. A detailed review will be dropping very soon, so stay tuned for it. Now talking about the other change, and that's related to the charging animation. So now charging animation have also got this dotted animation. Let me show you guys. If I soon plug the charger, you'll see the dotted charging animation in action. There we go. Let me show you guys once again. And at last, talking about the BGMI, so yes, they have added the support of 90 FPS in games like BGMI. So I did play a TDM after updating the device to the latest build, I mean the beta 2 of Nothing OS 3.0, wherein the gaming performance was quite good, but with 90 FPS and screen recording, device was struggling a bit in between, but overall the gaming performance was good enough, and the device did not even heat up much. It did get slight warm, but it was not like that performance was getting affected due to heating. I need to test the gaming part properly, which I generally include in my in-depth review videos. I'll try to do long sessions of BGMI, and if you guys want any other game to be tested, let me know in the comment section below. But for this particular update, they have given 90 FPS in BGMI. So that's the reason I did play BGMI for a while. Now here you can see in the BGMI, going to settings, tapping on graphics, here you can see we do have smooth and extreme plus, which is 90 FPS. So guys, these were all the changes what Nothing have done with this latest update of Nothing OS 3.0, which is beta 2. If you guys have any kind of questions, drop them in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.